Are you using CBD but not getting the results you hoped for? You might be buying the wrong product or using it the wrong way. Hi, I'm Shireen Kassam from mypaincenter.com, and in this video, I'm going to share 5 common mistakes that could be stopping you from experiencing CBD's full benefits. And the last mistake is something almost everyone overlooks, but can completely change how CBD works for you. So stick around and find out. So what exactly is CBD? Well, CBD has become a popular natural remedy for everything from anxiety to pain to sleep. But if you're not using it correctly, you could be wasting your time and money. So let's get right into it, okay, y'all? Mistake number 1, not choosing the right type of CBD. CBD comes in 3 forms: full spectrum, broad spectrum, and isolate. Full spectrum contains all the cannabinoids of the hemp plant, including tiny amounts of THC, which can help enhance its effectiveness, but it's not enough THC to give you a euphoric high, so don't worry. Broad spectrum removes the THC but keeps other compounds, while isolate CBD is a pure CBD. If you're not seeing results, you may be using the wrong type for your needs. The research shows that full spectrum CBD and broad spectrum CBD are often considered the best options for managing pain and from promoting sleep. This is due to the entourage effect, which helps enhance the therapeutic benefits of cannabinoids and terpenes. Mistake number 2, not checking for quality. Not all CBD products are created equal, and this is a huge mistake that a lot of people make, especially to save some money. Some products don't even contain the amount of CBD they claim to. Some don't even have CBD at all, okay, you guys? So always look for third-party lab testing to ensure your product is free of harmful contaminants and actually contains the advertised amount of CBD. A cheap product might save you money up front, but it's not going to deliver the results you're looking for and could be unsafe. Mistake number 3, taking the wrong dosage. One of the biggest issues is taking too much or too little CBD. Everyone's body is different, and finding the right dose requires some trial and error. So start low and go slow. Begin with a small amount of CBD every day and gradually increase daily until you find your sweet spot. Too much CBD can be just as ineffective as too little. Mistake number 4, not being consistent. This is a big one, okay? Expecting CBD to work like a one-time fix is not true. Many people make the mistake of taking CBD sporadically or only when they're feeling badly. CBD works best when taken consistently over time. And I'm talking weeks, even months, because it needs to build up in your system. So if you're not taking CBD daily, you may not be giving it the chance to work its magic. So be patient. And lastly, the most important mistake a lot of people make when it comes to CBD is, drumroll please, brrr. Mistake number 5, expecting immediate results. CBD is not a magic pill. While some people notice benefits right away, most find that it takes several weeks or even months of consistent use to see real changes. If you've been using CBD for a few days and you're thinking, ooh, this is not working for me, give it more time. Again, patience is key with CBD. And it actually could be working for you. You're just feeling better, but you don't even realize how your anxiety has decreased, how you might be sleeping better at night, how your pain levels have gone down. So it might be worthwhile to even keep a journal. I hope this video helps you avoid these common mistakes when using CBD. If you're looking for CBD gummies that are lab tested for quality and purity, check us out at mypaincenter.com. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment sharing your experience with CBD. I'd love to hear how it's working for you. Till next time, I'm Shireen Kassam.